Okay, really quick sketch of an anime face. Using a pencil so it's easier for me to make loose strokes. So I'll actually start with the chin. It's pretty sharp. Curves up. Trying to keep the hair loose. This is a sketch, so of course, you know, if you were to make a more polished drawing, you will not be able to see the eyebrows or the hair. Now we come down to the eyes, which is the most important part for most anime drawings. Just gotta get those right. And there are many different methods of drawing the eyes. This is just one of them, so stick around and I'll show you guys a bunch of other methods in my channel. And here you can just kind of put some random shades and shadows and reflections. The most important part is that really that big reflection right there. Always make sure the eye size are roughly similar in size. I know it's obvious, but for the nose, you can actually either skip the nose or just make a little dot like that. Very tiny little curve. You can get away with stuff like that in anime. Even though obviously from a proportion perspective doesn't make any sense. And now that the head is done, we have the hard part out of the way. And I'm just, you know, maybe I'll just add some closing lines here and there. So hair, maybe it comes down, maybe some of it, there are strands of hair flowing. The clothes, you can just kind of have fun with it and design however you want. And for an extra bonus, maybe we'll include the hand. So we have one finger. Anyway, it's pretty realistic in terms of certain numbers, certain type of anatomy. For example, some cartoons only have 4 fingers for characters. Animes generally have 5, just like in real life. Should have curved this one inward a bit more. because it looks like the hand was going the other way, the way I was drawing it. But I'm doing it pretty fast, so it's like, give me a break. Yeah, and you have part of the clothes there, his shoulder comes around like this. And yeah, this is how you can quickly sketch out an anime girl. These are the necks. Like I said before, the most important part is the jaw is sharp and the eyes, of course, right? You gotta make sure those are correct. Roughly, there sits roughly at the center of the face. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and don't make sure to subscribe and let me know what else you want to see. See you guys next time. Cheers.